Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are talking about the camera on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm going to show you guys some video footage, I'm going to give you guys some specs, and we're going to see what you think. Alright, so let's start with the specs because there's a lot of numbers here and my brain hurts already, so let's get the numbers over with. But don't worry, you're gonna have some beautiful B-roll footage to look at while I'm going over this. So let's start with the 3-camera system. The ultra-wide camera has a 13mm focal length. It's got a aperture of 2.4, f-stop of 2.4. Has a 120-degree field of view, which is kind of ridiculous there. And then 12 megapixel sensor, 12 megapixel sensor, which this thing is beautiful, don't get me wrong. But anyways, let's continue. The next lens is just a regular wide angle lens, 26mm focal length, an f-stop or aperture of f1.8. You have optical image stabilization, and you have a 12 megapixel sensor on this one as well. You can't really have an iPhone without a telephoto lens, I feel like. For some reason, I feel like it's the best one until I did these tests. The regular telephoto lens has a 52mm focal length, an aperture or f-stop of 2.0. You get optical image stabilization with this one as well, and you get a 12 megapixel sensor. So before going into these tests and the test footage, I thought that the telephoto lens was going to be the best lens for video and clarity, which I was really surprised. For some reason, my test footage came out a little blurry on the telephoto lens, but the wide angle and the ultra wide angle was really good. It was sharp and clear. Don't understand that. I might do some more test footage and show you guys in a later video. But before we even get started on that, the video records 4K at 60 frames a second. I'm slightly bitter because my camera that I'm shooting on right now only does 4K at 30 frames per second or 4K at 24 frames per second. However, the Sony camera is on point. I'm not gonna get rid of it. I would like to do some more filming on iPhone. I did a video on my 16-inch MacBook Pro, which is brand new. You guys should go check that out. And all of the B-roll that I shot on that video was shot on iPhone. I'm gonna play this test footage one at a time so that you can kind of see what's going on here. And I'm gonna insert that right now. All right, you guys, so this is a test of the ultra wide angle lens in my cousin's new house that she just built. And this is the biggest Christmas tree that I have ever decorated. And well, like it's like halfway decorated, but this is a test of the ultra wide angle lens. All right, you guys, this is the test of the regular wide angle lens. 4K, 60 frames a second. Hello, it's me again. Still look like crap, hasn't changed. And just for the sake of giving you an accurate video test footage, this is the Christmas tree that I decorated that I just spoke of. Yes, and isn't my cousin's house beautiful? All right, you guys, and this is the telephoto lens, and for being honest, I'm not even sure I would be able to get in frame of this one. Can't tell, can't see. But I have noticed on video that the telephoto lens is a little bit more blurry than the other two lenses, which surprises me a lot because I thought that that would be the clearest one. But I guess I'm wrong. All right, so now that you've seen the video for the footage, let's talk about the photo, because I actually have something that I want to say about the portrait mode. When I was taking a test shot of the portrait mode, The field of view that I have in the viewfinder, or the screen of my phone, was showing that most of the candle, and I was taking a picture of a candle, if you can't tell, it was blurry. The edges was extremely blurry, but I decided to go ahead and take the photo anyway. When I took the photo and I went back in, it was almost perfect. So I don't know if there was a problem with the software, but since then I haven't had any issues, and that's come up several times before. So Apple low-key may know that I was making this video, and they just decided to, throw me a bone here and fix the software really quick. But overall, my thoughts on this camera is it's absolutely amazing. It's one of the best, if not the best, camera system on a smartphone to date. What I would like to know from you in the comment section below is, what do you think about the iPhone camera system for the 11 and 11 Pro Max? Has it served its purpose for you? Does it do what you need it to do? Is there any features that you want in there? I really enjoy listening and commenting with and having a conversation with you all. So that's always welcome if you have anything on any of my videos that you want to see. As always, be sure to check out my links in the description box for my social media. I do post a lot of stuff on Instagram, and I'm really excited to see what you guys think about this video and the camera. So be sure to subscribe for more videos like this video, and throw those comments down. I will be watching. I love all of you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.